In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install KineMaster app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, for us to install the KineMaster app, we need to access the app through Google Play Store. And I'll go ahead and tap on Play Store here and then search for KineMaster. And as you can see, the app is here. Go ahead and tap on it to open. Now from here, we need to download and install it. And you can do this by tapping on install, and then this process, it will be downloaded and then it will be installed on my smartphone. So this will go ahead and install the app on your smartphone, and once it is installed, now you can proceed from here and open. Now if you go to your apps, you should be able to see your KineMaster app, and you can see it is here. So you have just to agree to the terms and conditions, and then you are good to start using your KineMaster app. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.